welcome to SharePoint journey. This is Devendra Veligandla. In this lesson you will learn how to create views in SharePoint list in SharePoint 2010. Let's go ahead and open our SharePoint site. This is our SharePoint site, and here we have a list called ticket details, and which consists of few records. Now we will create a view to have only the details which will have the new column data. Let's say some of the rows doesn't have any data for the new column, so we don't want those. We want only the rows which are new column having details. So to create a view, click on list under ribbon, and you can directly click here on create view, or click on list settings, scroll down, click on create view, and you can create various types of views: standard view, calendar view, datasheet view, grant view. So standard view are more of like a web page, so we're going to create a standard view here. And once you click on standard view, you can give a name, let's say new view, and you can make this one as a default. And there are options called, you can either create a personal views or a public views. Personal views will be available only for the user who is going to create it, and public view will be visible for everyone. So if you want to add any columns for that particular view, if you want to say created by created, you can add the columns accordingly and change the positions of the columns in that particular view. And you can sort it based on different column, and you can filter it. So in our case, what we are doing is we're going to display if new column is not equal to null, so that will display only the rows which are new column is having value. And there are a lot of other options, like if you want to have a group by, you can have a group by. If you want to display the totals, you can display the totals. If you want to have a styling, you can do styling. If you don't want to show folders and show all items without folders, you can set that. And you can set the item limit for each and every view. So if you want to change it, you can change this number. And if you want to enable for a mobile view, you can enable it or you can disable it. Okay. Let's click OK once you have done all the settings, and you can see here the view has been the default view now, and I can see only one item, and I have added a couple more columns created by. So if I go back to the all items, I'll see all the rows and I'm not seeing the additional columns. But if I go to new view, I can see the additional columns as well as only one row which new column is having value. So in this lesson we have seen how to create views in a custom list in SharePoint 2010. Thank you for joining this session. We'll see you in the next lesson.